falling in love with life. I am falling for other people. I am over
faking smiles and orgasms. I am happy. I am lying. I am Saturday night alone. I am fingernails chewed to bone. I am hollow. I am restaurant table for one. I am fridge full of ice and whiskey. I am yes, you can have this seat. I am lonely. I am trying not to be. I am failing. I am drinking your laughter away again. I am smoking your breath from my lungs. I am Rorschaching the fuck out of all your new pictures. I am trying to get some answers. I am coming up empty. I am coming undone. I am coming back to this. I am war zone bloody. I am funeral black. I am pin drop silent. I am screaming inside. I am hand grenade gentle. I am not blaming you. I am difficult to hold. I am harder to look at. I am impossible to love. I am sorry. I know you must have loved me. Remember the night you said your hands were made just for my body? I want that back. I want the morning I told you I felt ugly. That morning you made love to me just in nothing but sunlight and honesty. How you called me beautiful without having to make it sound like poetry. You unraped me, undid all my scars, rewrote everything I ever thought I knew of love and softness. God, I miss your softness. God, I miss your skin. God, why is it so hard to move past this? Even when I know you're happier with someone else, you told me this. But I pictured rocking chairs for us, pictured grandchildren. I pictured turning every whisper into wedding vows unspoken. Now I am broken. I am not sure I am even here. I am bad poet. I am worse person. I am lesbian cliche. I am not done. I am still in love with you. I'm erasing that line. I am not sure how to. Let me start with 6 tequila shots, add 4 more for luck. I am ugly drunk, but I am uglier sober. I am trying to keep it together. I am losing it. I don't think anyone else will ever love me like you did.